na-slice ko na, nilagay ko na dito sa plate. Tapos lagyan natin ng sauce. Ayan. Ito, nilagay ko din ang carrots. Ayan. May pang-ulam na ako. Ayan. Aywan ko kung gusto nila ito. Kung ayaw nila, kainin ko lahat. Ayan. Ayan, meron pang kalahati. Ayan. Masarap yung sauce. Natikman ko na. Ito na yung aking in-steam na cabbage na may meatball. So, slice natin. Slice natin para matikman natin kung anong lasa. Assalamualaikum everyone. My today's vlog is all about cabbage with meatballs steam. So these are all the ingredients. This is ground beef and onions, garlic, and this is fresh buffalo milk and salt and black pepper, chili powder and breadcrumbs and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour. So this is one whole of cabbage. So I'm going to mix all these ingredients of meatballs. Sorry, I forget. Must be we have to put also 1 whole or 2 whole of egg. So 1 only egg I have to put here. And now we can mix all together this one and also this one and this one and milk, fresh milk, and this breadcrumbs. So we have to mix now this one. And then we have to form it by balls. Yan. These meatballs we have to put inside. So yan. Maliit kasi itong cabbage na nabili ni Fahad. Sabi ko, bili siya ng malaki. Ito yung binili niya. But it's okay. Ito, ready to steam na. Nilagay ko na yung meatballs dito sa loob ng cabbage. And then, merong extra. So, nilagay ko yung meatballs dito at nirap ko sa cabbage na, na extra na pinangbalot ko. So, ito na yung sauce. May soy sauce, ketchup, wala kasi akong tomato paste, tapos garlics, and onions, and then salt, and water. So, ibuhos natin ito. And then, yung iba ay lagay natin dito. So, ito ay ready to steam na. Ayan. So, i-fix natin yung, nito, yung cover. And then, wrap natin sa aluminum foil. So, ayan, ito na. Kinoveran ko ng, ng aluminum foil. So, steam na natin ito. Check natin kung luto na itong cabbage steam with meatballs. Yan. Check natin. Oh, ayan. Ayan, luto na, oh. So, tama na ito. Ayan. Luto na ang aking steamed cabbage with meatballs. Ayan, yung meatballs na sa loob ng cabbage. Ayan.